How's it going? It's A&T Vending. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. So we're gonna get into our haul for December at location 2, which is the laundromat in the Tower District off of Van Ness, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 85, 75, and a couple of loose change right there. But I don't know if you guys remember last month, the last video was 69 and 25. So let's go. Well, we're gonna get this wrapped up and see you in the next video. God bless you guys. Have a great year, and we'll be coming